How to scan QR code Dragon Ball Legends. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan QR codes on your Dragon Ball Legends app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up the app, then tap and again tap. Now wait for it to load. So now once you're on the home screen, you have to tap on menu in the bottom right corner here. And here in the top you will see scan. Tap on it. Now here you will get two options, picture and camera. If you have a QR code in your phone's gallery, you can tap on picture and it will open your phone's gallery, and from here you can tap on the picture you want to scan. Now if you want to scan QR code through your camera, tap on camera and then bring the camera in front of the QR code you want to scan, and if the QR code is valid, it will get automatically scanned. And so this is how you can scan QR codes on Dragon Ball Legends app. Thanks for watching.